What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you my results so far from running ads on some of my books. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low content book publishing, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This course will take you step by step on everything I did to create $1,000 book income in less than 3 months, or within 3 months. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com. We now are selling the course at $74.99, so you can get that 25% discount. And if you're part of the Stackers Inner Circle, you can get a 35% discount on the course. So come through and join if you're interested. So, sell your books through Amazon advertising. I've been doing a little bit of this, dabbling in it. I have a few ads running at the minute, and these are my results so far. So I've spent $4.33 and I've made in sales, not royalties, $67.32. So I'm really happy with that. My ACOS is pretty low and I am getting impressions. Now when it comes to running ads, I'm slowly learning more and more over time. I think I've been running ads for around about a month now, so I'm looking to start running even more ads. Now let's break it down. Let's have a little look down here. So let's go to orders so you can see. I am going to blur out my titles. So right here, this is one of my best performing ads at the minute. I've spent $2.66. I've had 7 sales, and that's the equivalent of $58.33, and my ACOS is 4.56%. So I'm really happy with that. And then the other one where I have made a sale, I spent 15 cents to make $8.99 in sales. So as you can see, these are my results so far. If we go to spend, you can see that my other ads are getting clicks, but they're not really getting sales at the minute. So right here, I spent 48 cents. I didn't make anything. I have stopped that one at the minute. And then my others, I've spent 27, 24, 15 on that one, which I just showed you. 15 here, 15, 11, 10, 10, and a bit more. So why haven't I made even more sales? Well, most of my books are pretty much in micro niches, so there's not a lot of traffic going to those niches. So I can't expect, or you can't expect, to run ads and make a shit ton of money if there's not a lot of traffic within that niche. So that's one of the reasons why I haven't made a lot of sales, because the niches, most of the niches I am in, don't get a lot of traffic. But it's always a good idea to run ads so you can get found a lot easier than just organic. Now all these ads, as you can see, I only have $5 ad budgets and my bid is pretty low, and because of this I don't run through $5 every single day. So I've got all these ads running, but if we go back to here, you can see that I've only spent $4.33. So I haven't even spent $5 yet, because I keep the budget low and I also keep the bid low as well. And that kind of guarantees that I'm not going to run through my daily budget on each ad every single day. Now, do you need to be running ads on your books? No, you don't. As you can see, I've only sold 8 books through running ads. All of my other sales come through organically just from organic Amazon search traffic. So no, you don't actually need to run ads. This is just something that I wanted to do. And as you can see, my results are okay. I'm happy with them. The more I learn and the better results I get, the more I will show you here on the Stacking Profit channel. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.